our semi-automatic machine, which is Q50, the principle is same as the log machine. Our standard is by cylinder and the panel control. The machine only requires a labor to place the mold on one way, and the labor takes the mold to cool down on the other side of the machine. At the same time, it's equipped with the oil injection to help better demolding after cooling. After oil enters from here, the regulating valve will open to adjust the injector and the amount of the oil. The equipment will automatically deposit the mold after sending the mold. In addition, it can be also controlled by foot. Do you know how to calculate the capacity of this machine? As you can see, it has 24 pieces per time, and it per minute can produce 10 times, which can cost 14,400 pieces per hour. The capacity of this machine is 30 to 60 kilograms per hour. Please like our video and follow us. During the preparation, we will introduce the principle of the depositing equipment. This is our set of rolls. The position of the cooper sleeve is perforated. And similar to the syringe, the stainless steel wood is drawn upwards according to the set weight. The material will enter along the small hole, and the syrup of the set weight is poured down and poured into the mold. Then you can get different shapes, but the same weight can be obtained through molds of different shapes. Now let us introduce the mold to everyone. The mold is made of metal aluminum coated with Teflon. There's a thimble on the reserve side, and the thimble is pressed when the mold is released. At the same time, there's a small semi-automatic device to help pushing out candies. If necessary, it can be equipped with a silicone mold, which is supported by reinforcing the ribs and has a very good strength. Various candy shapes can be customized and the weight can be adjusted. This device can make hard candies, soft candies, lollipops, marshmallows, toffees.
One more time.